fucking horse flies. It's those goddamn donkeys, I swear. They're around here somewhere. Those bear sounding donkeys. All night. I'm just like, well, if it's a bear, just come kill me. If it's a donkey, fuck off. That was me last night. I was like, oh, stupid donkeys, just went back to sleep. If it's a bear, it's not like there's anything I can do except go, hey bear, hey bear, hey bear. Are you supposed to act real big and just yell, hey bear? Good morning. Oh, it's a little cold today, but I'm still in shorts. Might switch in just a minute. We're gonna try and get to the water source we spent all day yesterday trying to get to. So we'll get to that this morning, load up on water, and start making our way on the trail around the mountains and then down towards the Rio Grande River. So it's a little colder today, a lot of cloud cover, which should be a good thing. I woke up last night to the sound of like frogs croaking, and I was like, god damn annoying frogs. And then it dawned on me, I was like, frogs mean water. Oh, we're like right around the corner from it, so we'll see if that's true. So this is our water source. As you can see, that valve is open. There's a sign there telling me about it. This is all that's coming out, but it is flowing. So not what we had been hoping. It was lucky I found that water source yesterday. I'd have been shit out of luck. Alright, here we are. It's our water for the day. Wonderful. Right now we're on an actual trail. We're going through the mountains. There's some donkeys up there. Jesus. I get it. Those are your girls. You're good. I don't know where the donkeys come from. I think maybe it was like the ones they used to use to carry like the wax and stuff. And they're just gone wild? I don't know. Regnad. I don't know what regnad means, but that hill climb was sketch, man. I stumbled upon an old spring. Look, I built up a wall around it. You can tell it's been here for a while because of all the overgrowth. Built up this wall around it. You can hear the water dripping out. Besides this algae bloom, this is probably really clean water. I really don't need any water. Although when I'm in the middle of the desert and I wish I had just that extra half liter of water, I'm gonna think back and I'm gonna go, eesh. Never fails. Alright, I'm going back. I'm gonna chug like a whole liter and then filter to replace it. And there we have it. Super clean water. Looked like shit. I wouldn't drink out of it with a straw, but I mean, filtered, pretty good. Pretty good. You usually want to filter all your water you get from backcountry water sources, but also if you can hear it running, trickling, making any type of sound, usually that's a pretty good sign that it's okay to drink. As long as there's not a dead animal in it or like actual shit in it, you should be all right. Now let's find this trail. Just ate lunch at this old cattle pen. I laid in the shade of that cow pond or whatever. I gotta hand it to Big Bend Ranch State Park. This is tough. I thought the state park was gonna be the easier section. Maybe it might have been easier if I went the route I wanted to go, because there were some road hikes mixed in, you know, some good places to stay. One of them had running water, but yeah, man, this is tough. So good job, Big Bend Ranch. If you take a wrong turn in this park, you really pay for it. I mean, it's like, oh, nope, you're not on the trail. Now climb over this this big ass hill. Oh, now slide down the rock face. All right, now through the cactuses. Good, good. And there you go, you're back on trail. I just saw a jackrabbit running wild and free. Got my $100 bill headband on. I just opened a hot Calabrian chili summer sausage, aged low and slow, baby. Super good, a little spicy, not gonna lie. All in all, spirits are up. Just trying to get from where I am to where I'm going. I'm so tired of this trail. I've been on this like riverbed trail for like at least 5 miles, and it's just like tiny rocks that get stuck in my shoes and sand. You ever walk on sand? You know, it's really hard to walk on the beach. Well, just imagine hiking that for miles, for fucking miles. Over it, man. I'm so close to this next trail that goes around the mountains. Fucking horseflies. It's those goddamn donkeys, I swear. They're around here somewhere. Those bear sounding donkeys. All night. I'm just like, well, if it's a bear, just come kill me. If it's a donkey, fuck off. That was me last night. I was like, oh, stupid donkeys, just went back to sleep. If it's a bear, it's not like there's anything I can do except go, hey bear, hey bear, hey bear. Right, you're supposed to act real big and just yell, hey bear. Yeah. The riverbed wasn't so bad. This goddamn uphill. Fuck. Almost to the top though. Almost to the top. Almost to the top. God damn. Every single plant is just uncomfortable. There's not a friendly plant in this whole 80,000 acres. I'm the friendliest thing in this place. I found this just old ass house, but it's got a water tank with a solar panel well. And look, it's got water. Back in business, baby. This is the most middle of the desert crazy water source I've ever found. This is crazy. What? Dude. But I got 2.5 liters of water out of it. Hell yeah. Crazy. Like, you can see all the variants they went through. You had like for like a diesel pump jack for the water. Then you have the solar panel with electric pump and a reservoir. Like, things change, but things don't really change, you know what I mean? Look, see, that's a hit or miss engine. These things go crack, 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 crack. And this thing's pow, 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 pow. Wow, that's crazy. There's another one. Everything that went on down here, their biggest problem was water. It was either donkeys carrying canvas bags that were wax lined, or trying to pull it out of the ground. It's nuts, man. And then I'm out here, same problem. It's really creepy how quiet it is out here. Like, there's no noise, and it's super overcast. There's like no wind. I'm not gonna say it, but maybe about time to find a campsite. I was gonna hike for about another hour. Put in some overtime after a long work day. I've hiked almost 8 to 5 today. Took it, of course, an hour break for lunch. I think it was more like 30 minutes. So weird. It's so quiet. Hello? Is there anybody out there? Can anybody hear me? I just want someone to talk to. Sing me a song. This riverbed does look pretty tempting. Either one, 1, 2, We're up there. A little hesitant because it is, as far as wildlife goes, a high traffic area. I set up in a riverbed last night, and I had a donkey that woke me up at 3 in the morning. But it's flat and it's clear. If it just so happened to rain, this will not be a good spot to be in. And we are very overcast right now. I think they get like 2 days of rainfall a year here. But if it did rain, I would basically have to pack up and move to higher ground and just wait out the rain, like in the rain. Ow! Ow! Jeez, man. Right in the... Ow, where is it? Oh, it's like through the shoe. It's always the left foot. Every time it's been the left foot. Just thorns right through. Oh, there it is. Little guy. These socks have seen better days. Still in there. There it is. Oh. Damn, he's in there deep. Oh, shit. Thing was long as hell. It looked weird as fuck. You ever put a sock on backwards? Starting with the toes. Oh. And we're back. God dang, that hurt. It's like right on the tip of the right past the cuticle. Ah, that thing was deep in there too. Ah, took away some of my momentum. I don't know, this might be a good place to stop. Just taking kind of inventory of how my legs are doing. I've got all these little cactus needles in them, and like they're super small, but I can feel them when I like roll over. Yeah, look at these guys, look at these dogs. Got a big blister in here, but overall all patched up, good to go, good as new. That thorn that went through my shoe the other day, I guess it was yesterday, is swollen up. I don't know if there's still something in there, but it is a ball. I'm gonna have to cut it out. Shit, I don't know. That shit hurts though. Poor guys. It's been on and off, windy, and then still. If it ends up raining, the plan is to hold it down in the tent until the tent gives way. That would only be in like really high wind, really hard downpour. I already got woken up around 9:30 to a tent stake coming loose and a pole just falling down the whole side Other tent collapsed. I had to get out and go fix it in the wind. Might be a lot of this tonight. I'm gonna try and get in sleep where I can, but it's not gonna be very much. There's too much wind. There's too much wind. It looks like right now. There's just too much wind. I'm gonna have to take it down and just we're just gonna have to fucking shit. We're gonna have to take it down and then I don't know. Start hiking something. I gotta go. So I'm all packed up. Everything's back on my back. The plan is to hike until we find a better spot to be, or till we come out the trailhead. Holy shit! It's all coming around this mountain. Holy fuck. Well, let's try and make it to the trailhead. Well, I'm about a mile from the trailhead. Probably gone 6 miles already tonight. Yeah, I'm pretty done. It's possible I feel different tomorrow, but not likely. Once I get some sleep, we'll know. But definitely feeling like one of those long way home type scenarios. At least I get to look at the stars tonight. It's been nice. Bad news. So I'm off the trail. I'm over at this river launch on the Rio Grande. No cell reception. So tomorrow, and I say tomorrow, it's 7 a.m. The sun hasn't come up. Jesus. Freaking freezing. So in a couple of hours, I'm going to start a road hike towards Lajitas, or until I get cell reception. So I'll probably check every hour, but I think I can only do 15 miles tomorrow, realistically. And as long as I get in cell reception before 2 o'clock on Friday, I can reroute the shuttle to pick me up somewhere else. It's a hard decision. Do I go back towards town? Or do I head for the pickup location? They're both the same distance away. Shit. My gut tells me to head towards town.
Well, we'll see.
Good morning. Well, we started the road hike. So we're road hiking until we get cell reception. We get to Lajitas. Well, we're not going to get to Lajitas because it's 26 miles from here. If we really push it, or we get picked up and get a ride to Lajitas. So hopefully we just get cell reception. I can call the shuttle service, ask them if they can pick me up a day early, and then tell them to come get me. If they can't, for whatever reason, pick me up a day early, I'll be able to tell them, all right, well, tomorrow, just pick me up here instead of the original spot, which is 20 miles that way, maybe 30 miles that way. I just think I have a better chance of getting cell reception if I hike this way. Also a better chance of getting a ride. And I could hang out at the ranger station for the state park. They let me use their bathrooms, get water, recharge my phone, all that good stuff. Plus it's real close to the shuttle service. So, no big deal. Alrighty. Just more mileage. I think we're just gonna make this an ultra marathon. It's gonna be called the Big Bend 101 more mile. So it's gonna call the Big Bend 100 and one more mile. And one more mile. And one more mile. And one more mile. Well, road hikes suck, but you know, I'm kind of enjoying like not having to worry about which way I'm going or like think about anything. And then look at all this shit. I'm still surrounded by mountains. And even though this is probably a 20-mile road hike, I'm not too fucked up about it. Like, I don't know, might be I've got my music on in my head, on my headphones, but I'm kind of chilling about it. All right, we're walking till we get reception or make it to Lajitas, whichever comes first, or get picked up. Although I'm not putting my thumb out. I'm just, if somebody stops and asks, I will accept. We'll see how that goes. I got a ride.
Hello.
Dude, they saved my ass. They fucking saved my ass. Some random shuttle service, river tour guides, fucking picked me up. Oh, and drove me probably 15 miles. Oh my God, probably more than that, honestly. Probably 20 miles. Oh, now I'm back to the visitor center at the state park, and I can charge all my electronics, and I have signal, and everything's sick. Everything's sick, dude. I'm gonna check with the shuttle service to see if they can pick me up early, and I could be in my van by tonight. By this afternoon. Fucking sick. Oh man, what a trip. Cut it a day short, but honestly that was enough. That was enough for me. We didn't get to do the full Big Bend 100, womp womp, but we kind of make it our own.
state park was closed, or half of the park was closed, and we had to kind of stick to the bottom half, which honestly, even talking with the park rangers, probably made it harder. Not a lot of reliable water sources, not a whole lot of great camping spots, a lot of riverbed hiking, a lot of unofficial trails, or trails that aren't on their maps, that I'm glad actually existed. But honestly, it was a hard park to hike. I'm not gonna lie. I was talking to my shuttle that dropped me off here. She was saying that a lot of people refer to the state park as level 2, and I definitely felt that. Definitely felt that after this trip. The national park was easy breezy. There were boxes to cache your water. You know, tons of people. I was passing by people every day. For the most part, easy trails. The most difficulty on the trails of the national park are probably just because of elevation. State park, on the other hand, their trail maintenance is a lot fewer and further between. It's kind of just like, hey, they're there, go for it. I definitely did, I'm gonna say 40 miles in the state park, and then exiting not where I planned, then deciding to road hike, which is nuts, because the plan for that road hike, it would have been a 27-mile road hike, and I clocked it as me getting in to the ranger station of the state park by 8 p.m. I think is what I was guesstimating. That'd be a 13-hour hike day. Not sure if I would have made it, but just knowing that I had till tomorrow, it was worth taking the chance. I did not get cell phone reception until I got into Lajitas. It was not just magically gonna appear on the road. Thank you to the river guide who I caught walking down the road. She was walking down the road in the opposite direction, and I was kind of like, hello, like, you know, are you all right? Because I'm walking down the road and I'm certainly not all right. And it turns out she was just walking between landings to get her river tour van with the canoes in the back. So she gave me a ride to their next landing, and then I went on foot again, and the whole group passed me by, and I guess they said, hey, yeah, we're okay with picking them up. So they came back around and picked me up.
We're still working today, but if we're around and you need a ride,
okay, cool.
I'll look me up on Instagram.
Yeah.
Try to tear Lingo or something, man.
Yeah, definitely.
I'll let you out. That's cool.
Oh man. Yeah, for sure. And then if you're in San Antonio, you want to do that.
Happy hiking!
Sweet, thanks.
Bye, best of luck.
Bye, y'all.
See you later.
See ya. Trail friends. Super nice of them. The hiking community is just so cool, so freaking cool. I got in, she's like, you want some snacks? I was like, oh yes, like more than anything. So cool.